TZGP is a versatile vehicle window manufacturer with about 20 years of experience. We have developed many types of vehicle window molds and are proficient in manufacturing windows for a variety of vehicle types, including RVs, trailers, vans, commercial vehicles, school buses, heavy-duty vehicles, and more. Our factory is certified with management system standards such as IATF16949 and ISO 9001. We offer not only a range of vehicle window products, but also OEM and customized product solutions. We employ automated production equipment in tandem with experienced workers to ensure a smooth production line. We use high-quality raw materials, and our glass can meet certification for EMAR, DOT, and CCC. Our technical team, with its rich technical experience, conducts various tests and experiments on our products, including water spray tests, vibration tests, and sliding tests, etc. We stand ready to provide efficient technical support to customers worldwide. Dedicated to meeting the diverse needs of various vehicle types, TZGP offers a wide array of customized products. Explore our range, which includes sliding windows, push-out windows, flash glass windows, bus windows, exit windows, vent fans, AV steps, and AV doors, etc. TZGP is your trustworthy industrial partner.